Hello students, another topic in the unit processes involved in wastewater treatment is filtration. Filtration is done in order to carry out the removal of fine suspended particle in flocks, right? So what happens is that it is a very simple process in which the suspended solids are passed through a medium which has pore sizes which are smaller than the sizes of the suspended particle. Those suspended particle whose size is bigger than the size of the voids in the medium or the filter medium, that will be retained, and the rest, the clean water, will pass through, right? So filtration is done in the units terms as filters, which are of following types: gravity filters, which can be slow sand filter or rapid sand filter, and pressure filter. So as the name suggests, the gravity filters are those filters in which the head for flow is provided by the head of water itself, right? That is, the height of water acts as the difference in head by which the flow takes place, right? Where in the case of pressure filter, this head is provided by any external application of pressure over the water over the filter medium. So both are basically same processes, but the mechanism is somewhat different. The mechanism in the gravity filters is all the movement is through the head of water itself, and for the pressure filters, external pressure is applied over the filter medium, right? So what is mechanical straining? Mechanical straining is basically what we do is we make a layer of sand, anthracite, activated carbon, geotextile, or garnet, etc. And what happens is, when the wastewater coming from sedimentation tank is passed through this layer, as you can see in the figure, a layer of impurities which is of higher sizes than the size of the filter medium is formed over the surface of the filter medium, right? So when water passes through the filter medium, suspended solid of size greater than the size of voids of filter medium are strained out from it, resulting in the formation of a layer of entrapped impurities over the filter medium, which is called matte layer, as I had already told you. Suspended solids of size smaller than the size of the voids of filter medium are retained over these layers. What actually is happening is that, for example, the first load is coming, and first load, the suspended material which is of smaller sizes, which is of bigger sizes than the pore size of the filter medium, is retained over the surface of the filter medium, which is called a matte layer. Now what happens is that in this matte layer, the void size is reduced further, right? So what happens is that in the suspended solids whose size is otherwise smaller than the size of the voids, which would otherwise would not have been retained, will now be retained over this matte layer only, right? So the void in this layer is less than the size of the voids of medium, right? So what is happening is that the first layer, that matte layer, is formed, and after that the sizes of pores in the matte layer is very small as in compared to the size of pores in the filter medium. So what happens is, in the next load that is coming, a lot of load is is strained off by this matte layer, that is the layer of impurities which had collected over the surface of the filter medium, now acts as the filter medium itself, right? Sedimentation: due to the removal of turbulence from the water over the filter medium, solid gets settled over the medium particle, making the filtered water free from suspended impurities. It also causes a few biological changes. What happens is that in the aerobic decomposition, it is faster than the anaerobic decomposition. So what happens is, for the first few days, when the water passes through the filter medium, the upper layer of filter medium gets coated with a sticky deposit of partial decomposition of organic matter, along with the nutrients like C, N, P, S, AI, FEM, and which promotes the growth of algae. What is happening is that whatever we are being subjected, that is, whatever the filter medium is being subjected, it also contains various organic matter also, or that is various nutrient also. So nutrient, what happens is that these nutrients form a layer of algae, right? So algae provides oxygen to the medium itself by photosynthesis, and what happens is that a layer of organic bacteria, layer of aerobic bacteria forms over the filter medium, and that layer is called Schmutz deck. Okay? Schmutz deck is obviously a German word, so which means that a layer of biological microorganism. So what happens now is that the oxygen is present, the algae is providing the oxygen, okay? The microorganism is utilizing this oxygen to carry out the decomposition of organic matter also. Now what happens is, in the first step, in the initial few days before the Schmutz deck was formed, only the suspended impurities were basically retained over the surface of the filter medium, and the rest of the liquid was passing freely. So that may also include organic matter. But now after a few days, when Schmutz deck, that is a layer of microorganism, is formed over the surface of the filter medium, now it also starts to treat over a period of time. It also tries to remove the organic matter by the microorganism endogenous respiration takes place, which also reduce the microbial load over the filter. So what is happening here is that the microbial load over the filter is also decreasing, and what is happening is that now not only the suspended solids are being entrapped over the filter medium, but over the layer of Schmutz deck, the organic treatment for organic matter is also taking place, right? So this is the one of the benefit. Efficiencies of the filter with regard to the removal of organic matter and microorganisms depend upon the growth of Schmutz deck, right? There are also electrolytic changes because the charge over the medium particles and the charge in the impurities are opposite, and hence because of these interaction, neutralization of these impurities also takes place, which are further removed from filter during its cleaning process, right? So as we had discussed, the gravity filters are of two types. The first is of slow sand filter. You can see in the figure, simple slow sand filter is drawn here. What is happening is there are lateral drains and there are central drains for draining of the water, and there is an influent from plain sedimentation tank, and there is an effluent chamber, that is the outlet chamber. So what is happening is that over the lateral drain, gravels which do not serve the purpose of treatment, or which do not serve the purpose, is just therefore supporting the above layer. So what is happening is that over a layer 60 to 90 centimeter of gravel, a layer of filter medium, that is sand, up to a height of 90 to 110 centimeter is placed over it. Over that layer, head of water, because I already told you that whatever the filtration is taking place is just because of the gravity due to the head of the water provided. So what is happening is that we have influent from plain sedimentation tank. I must tell you that we in slow sand filtration we have a limitation that we do not use the influent that is coming from coagulation added sedimentation tank, because the larger sizes of floc will choke the system entirely. So cleaning will be required, and that cleaning will cause excess expenditure and excess load over the system. So the influent is coming only from the plain sedimentation tank chamber only, right? So the influent which is coming from the plain sedimentation tank is allowed inside the slow sand filtration chamber via inlet, and what happens is that a layer is formed, and whatever the suspended matter of the higher sizes than the size of void of the filter media is retained over it, and also a Schmutz deck is also formed. This filter drives is as I've told you, gravel layer is provided only to support the sand medium in the filter. No filtration is there in gravel layer. Filter medium can be sand, anthracite, activated carbon, geotextile, garnet, etc. The depth of the filter is the total depth of the filter is in the range of 2.5 meter to 3.5 meter. The depth of gravel layer is in the range of 60 to 90 centimeter. The depth of sand medium is in the range of 90 to 110 centimeter. Depth of water above the sand medium is as same as that of the medium itself. Right. Effective size of the sand grains is in the range of 0.2 to 0.3 mm. Right. So sand is 75 micron to 4.75 mm. So the D10 value is 0.2 to 0.3 mm. Right. Rate of filtration is very slow. That is why it is named as slow sand filter. But efficiency is very high, and coefficient of uniformity of particle is 3 to 5. That is Cu is equal to D60 by D10 is equal to 3 to 5. It is in this range only. Well graded medium, that is all sizes particle are available. Medium or poorly graded medium, that is same size particle are there. It is the size below which 10% particle, you already know D10 and D60 is. But what happens is because the size of pores is very small in the filter medium, what happens is that the suspended matter inside the influent coming gets retained over the surface of the filter medium, and what happens is there is a loss of head in the range of 10 to 15 centimeter, which goes on increasing as more and more. जैसे जैसे इम्प्योरिटी बढ़ती चली जाएगी वैसे वैसे क्या होगा कि आपका जो है वो पोर साइज़ स्मॉल होता चला जाएगा. पोर साइज़ स्मॉल होता चला जाएगा तो एक ऐसी लिमिट आएगी जिसकी वजह से लॉस ऑफ हेड होना शुरू हो जाएगा. और लॉस ऑफ हेड जो है वो धीरे धीरे, यानी कि जितना हेड ऊपर है उतना हेड जो है वो इन्फ्लुएंट पे निकलेगा नहीं. हर बार जो है आपका हेड लॉस होगा. ठीक है. और दूसरी चीज़ ये हो जाएगी कि आपका जो मीडियम है वो मीडियम जो है वो धीरे धीरे चोक होना शुरू हो जाएगा, जिसकी वजह से लॉस ऑफ हेड होगा. तो करना क्या होता है कि इसको जो है एक कांस्टेंट डिस्चार्ज इसके थ्रू होता रहे. इसके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट ये हो जाता है कि आप इसकी जो है वो पीरियोडिक क्लीनिंग करते रहें. ठीक है. तो क्लीनिंग ऑफ द फिल्टर शुड बी डन व्हेन द हेड लॉस बिकम 0.7 to 0.8 times the depth of the filter medium. Right. For cleaning the filter, टॉप 1.5 to 3 सेंटीमीटर, बिकॉज जितना भी आपका जो है इम्प्योरिटीज़ आ रही हैं वो शुरू की जो आपकी ऊपर की थिकनेस है उसमें इम्प्योरिटीज़ की लेयर जमा हो जाएगी. अब ये इम्प्योरिटीज़ की लेयर जो है धीरे धीरे क्या कर रही है, ये पोर्स को क्लॉग करती जा रही है. पोर्स को क्लॉग करती जा रही है तो इसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है कि आपका जो है वो स्पीड जो है, जिस स्पीड से जो है डिस्चार्ज आपका हो रहा है वो स्पीड कम होती चली जा रही है, डिस्चार्ज कम होता चला जा रहा है. तो क्या करते हैं हम कि हम लोग ऊपर की जो 1.5 से 3 सेंटीमीटर की लेयर है विच इज़ ऑल अबाउट इम्प्योरिटीज़, उसको जो है हम लोग स्क्रैप ऑफ कर लेते हैं. ठीक है. और उसके बाद उसको जो है वो लूज़न कर लेते हैं हम लोग. ठीक है. फिर बार रैक्स ला के जो है इसमें जो है साफ़ पानी जो होता है वो जो है रन कराया जाता है, यानी क्लैरिफाइड वाटर जो है वो रन कराया जाता है. एक बार जो है वो 3 सेंटीमीटर की लेयर स्क्रैप ऑफ कर ली, फिर बार रैक्स का इस्तेमाल करके आपका क्लियर वाटर, यानी कि कोई इन्फ्लुएंट नहीं है, ये क्लीन वाटर है. क्लीन वाटर जो है वो करा जाता है. आफ्टर क्लीनिंग द फिल्टर अगेन इज़ लोडेड विद सेटल्ड वाटर, बट फ़िल्टर वाटर इज़ नॉट यूज़ फॉर नेक्स्ट 24 to 36 आवर. यानी कि फ़िल्टर जो है वो एक बार क्लीन करने के बाद 24 से 36 घंटे तक यूज़ नहीं करते हैं. ठीक है. यानी कि जो प्लेन सेडिमेंटेशन से जो आपका पानी निकल के आ रहा है इन्फ्लुएंट इसके लिए, उसका इन्फ्लुएंट इसके लिए इन्फ्लुएंट, उसको नहीं वो करते हैं. फ़िल्टर को जो है आप साफ़ पानी से लोडेड रखते हैं. ठीक है. अब जो है आपका लोडेड सिस्टम है, इसमें जो है थोड़ा सा टाइम मिल जाता है तो स्मट्स डेक जो है वो फिर से डेवलप हो जाती है, जो कि आपकी क्लीनिंग प्रोसेस के दौरान जो है वो रिमूव हो जाती है. कितनी बार क्लीन करते हैं? 1 से 3 महीने पे क्लीन करने की ज़रूरत पड़ जाती है हमको. रेट ऑफ फिल्ट्रेशन जो है वो स्लो होता है. ठीक है. यानी 2400 से 2800 लीटर पर मीटर स्क्वायर पर डे का आपका फिल्ट्रेशन रेट निकलता है. ठीक है। अब 100 से 2000 मीटर स्क्वायर तक जो है बनाया जाता है। ये ऐसी जगहों पे इस्तेमाल करा जाता है जहाँ पे लैंड की रिक्वायरमेंट जो है वो ज़्यादा ना हो, यानी कि लैंड जो है वो फ्रीली अवेलेबल हो, बहुत ज़्यादा कॉस्टली लैंड अवेलेबल ना हो। क्यों? क्योंकि इसमें जो है आपका डिस्चार्ज स्लो रहता है और प्रोसेस जो है वो भी स्लो है, तो इसलिए इसमें जो है वो जो फुटप्रिंट है आपका क्लीनिंग का वो आपको ज़्यादा चाहिए होता है। तो इसलिए जो है ये गाँव देहात में ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल करा जाता है जो स्लो सैंड फिल्टर है, ठीक है। और जब टर्बिडिटी 50 NTU से ज़्यादा होती है तो ये रिमूव नहीं कर सकता, तो इसलिए जो है इसको नहीं यूज़ करा जाता है, ठीक है। बैक्टीरिया क्लीनिंग एफिशिएंसी 98 to 99% मिलती है अगर स्मोरसेक जो है वो डेवलप हो गई है क्लियरली तो, ठीक है। तो नंबर ऑफ़ फ़िल्टर्स के लिए आप ये देख सकते हैं, अगर जो है आपका 20 मीटर स्क्वायर से कम है एरिया तो 2 फ़िल्टर उतने बड़े इस्तेमाल करे जाएंगे। 20 से 249 है तो 3 इस्तेमाल करे जाएंगे। ये नंबर जो है वो आपका इट विल कीप ऑन चेंजिंग, आप देख सकते हैं, ठीक है।